Okay, so this is the Kenmore microwave, over the stove microwave. This is model 85032. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And it threw a code, so it goes through this rigmarole here, and then it comes up with a code called SE. Now, it's the humidity sensor, which is right in here. Okay. I have to pull this out in order to get at that sensor. So if you see down here that it's past where I can pull this out, right? So I have to pull this out and drop the whole machine down and fix it from there. All right, let's see what we can do. Okay, we got the microwave off. Now we're going to get this panel off and get the sensor, I'm hoping, right in here. Okay, we got this panel off, and I believe that sensor is right there. Okay, so let's go in and see what it's all about. Okay, and there it is. Wow, that come out really, really easy. Cool, cool. Okay, all right, we got one coming, and we're going to replace that and see how it goes. Okay, now to take this out, all you do is, there's a halfway bracket on here. Looks like you just pop that off. You got to be careful. That's probably pretty sensitive, eh? Okay, so we're going to put that up there. And then this probably pops out like that. And there it is, right there. Okay, got the new sensor in. That's the old one. That's the new one. Now, let's plug it in. Okay, so it goes on there like that. And this collar goes on here like in between these things. No. Yeah, that's how it goes like that. Okay, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to take the old one and put it on to see if it fits the same. This collar looks a little bit smaller than this one. You see it? Yes, it is. So yeah, that's why this collar is going on better on this machine versus the old one or new one. There, yeah, it snaps right in. You see that? Okay, so we're going to take that off and just see if we can get that to that way. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get this to slide on here. I don't want to break it. Imagine it's a little bit sensitive already, right? It is going on, but not really great. Might be okay. There's all I was doing to really hold it in there, right? Yeah, it seems like it's going to be okay. Okay. Well, let's give it a try. Okay, let's slide it in there. Put the wire over top of that little thing there. The harness. And we'll throw that in there. Like that. Snap it down. And there it is. Okay, let's give her a try. Plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works before I hook it back up on the wall. Alright, sensor's in. Let's plug this thing in. See if she'll work before we mount it back into the wall. Alright, there she goes. Now, the last time it came up with went through this whole thing, but you couldn't enter the clock. And then it went to the code SE. So let's just push some buttons here. Push clock, time. Okay, select AM, and there it is. All right, let's see if she'll run now. Let's just put 10 seconds and see how it goes. Okay, start. Okay, so the timer is in. Now we'll just push 10 seconds. Let's see if she'll go. Well, look at that. And off she runs. Beauty. Let's see if it kicks off. And there it is. All right, there you go. A modern installation of a sensor, the humidity sensor. All right, so there's in the description, there's a link for that part if you need it. And make sure you go, while you're down there, make sure you subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff. And I always come out with videos, and maybe it would be something you can come up with and you like, and it might help you.